Assalamualaikum, hi everyone, welcome back to the day 2 ride of Chikmagalur.
హెబ్బాల్ బ్రిడ్జ్ వస్తుంది చూడు, అక్కడ నుంచి స్ట్రైట్. వి షుడ్ నాట్ టేక్ రైట్, స్ట్రైట్. ఓకే, ఫైనలీ ది రైడ్ ఈజ్ ఆన్. యాక్చువల్లీ ది ప్లాన్ వాస్ టు meet at sharp 9 a.m. So I should have been at 9 a.m. at Manoj's place. So it got a bit late for me. So I reached Manoj's home at 9:30, I guess. It was half an hour late. And then from there, from his home, we both just got our tanks fueled up and checked our air pressures. So hopefully we are good to go. We have the proper air pressure in the tire, we have full gas in the tank, and now it's time to ride safe and reach Chikmagalur safely. The plan is to not go too fast or too slow. We'll be cruising in a medium speed, and we'll be enjoying wherever we would like to stop the bikes, like wherever we find a good scenery over there. So we'll be having a lot of tea breaks and all. The most fun part about this ride is like we have not even booked the rooms. So this guy said he will see, he knows someone and he'll ask them, and I thought I will book. So it just got delayed like that, but we have started the ride, and what we have planned is like let it be as much adventurous as it could be. So we'll be going to Chikmagalur first, then we will be finding the hotel over there. So no pre-bookings and all. What's wrong? Okay, there are cops. భయ్యా వచ్చి మావాడు అటు వెళ్తాడు ఇటు వెళ్తాడు. ఓకే, now first the big task is to leave Bangalore and get to the outskirts. That's one big task as of now. Okay, off-roading starts from here only. Wow, this is Bangalore, huh? Seriously bro, you're making practice off-roading skills to each and every citizen over here. Oh my goodness, no 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 no, careful. We are almost near this Hebbal flyover. Thank God we didn't go from that flyover. Just see the traffic, man. Oh my goodness, just see the traffic. This is for the first time me and Manoj we are going on a long ride. Before we used to ride a lot, like we used to go to our college from here. See the car bro. Which car is that? Supercars in Bangalore doing off-roading. Okay, it's a Mercedes AMG. Superb. What a car. We need to go from the left. This guy will come first. You go, sir. Superb sexy the car is. Just look at it, man. It reminds me of the Tarzan. Oh, look at that power. Wow. Oh, oh. No sound, nothing. It's going smoothly. So beautiful. Everyone is behind that car only. One fine day. Hope inshallah we will also get one. It's too much, but still. How fat the tires are, bro. Wow. I just love it. For first time I'm liking a car too much. Beautiful machine, beautiful machine. ఇది కనపడతలేదు, కొంచెం స్లాంట్ చేసుకుంటా. సూపర్. నా లైఫ్లోకి వెళ్ళి ఫస్ట్ టైం అంత ఇష్టం పడింది ఒక కార్ని, అంత నచ్చింది ఒక కారు అంటున్నా. ఆడి R8 ఫెరారీలు ఆ రోజు పిస్తా కూడా చూసాంగా, ఫెరారీ పిస్తా, అది కూడా అంతే అనిపిలా. ఇది చాలా బాగుంది. ఇప్పటివరకు చూసిన కారులో ఇదే టాపు. అరే అంటుకోరా బాబు. Okay. Now we are towards Mangalore Road, where Hassan comes first. Later on comes this Chikmagalur, and then comes Mangalore. So our destination is 212 kilometers far from here. We are not cruising too fast. We are riding in a limit. We are just trying to enjoy the ride as much as possible. What is one beautiful thing today I got to know, like the luck is my side actually. So exactly yesterday I guess the fuel prices got dropped it seems. So it was from 1182 it became 104. Yeah, I'm talking about this power petrol. So the normal one is 100 rupees. Okay, luckily it is so much helpful to us because we can save a little bit money rather than spending on gas. Since the price have got down, we can use that money somewhere else, like for food or something or the other. So the climate is so cool. I don't see any clear skies over here. Hopefully until we reach Chikmagalur, if it stays like this, I will be so thankful. If not also, I should be thankful. Arey, whose sound is this? Not my bike, right? So just done with my Friday prayer. Our Manoj is waiting here with the bikes. So we have already covered 200 kilometers. Huh? Exactly. Still 50 kilometers, I guess, left out to reach Chikmagalur. So we'll be going to Chikmagalur and having our lunch. Hey, camera shy guy. So I have filled my tank for the second time and set the meter. So now it's 0. Finally, we have reached Chikmagalur, as you can see. As soon as we entered, we came directly to this MG road. You see, it's surrounded by mountains everywhere. This will be your position if you will not book your hotels before. We had our lunch at 4 p.m. in Rajo Bhavan, Pakka Andhra Mills. It was worth eating. Kind of tasty or not. You can see the name behind. We are staying in this hotel. Right there is a famous coffee shop. We have got a room in this hotel called the Lotus Inn. We got the room for a reasonable price, I feel so. This road is called Jyoti Nagar, if you can see it. So actually I thought, let me close this window. I thought there is a dedicated balcony for our room, but unfortunately this is a universal balcony. So there are a lot of hotels in and around here, as you can see over here. What is the thing that I like the most, and what is the thing that we need the most when we are in traveling? Proper bed. You see this? This bed is like almost some 5 to 6 inches, as you can see, and it's too spongy. And this is what our room looks like. There is Wi-Fi, there is hot water, and there's a TV, and there are good beds. We started in Bangalore at 10 a.m. So we reached Hassan by 1:30 actually. I do remember the time because I went to Mask. So from there, we started at 2 p.m. It took like almost 2 hours to cover 60 kilometers. The reason being a lot of potholes in this two-lane road, and there are a lot of cows in the road. Basically, we get to see dogs in India, but in this route, differently we found cows to be on the other sides, cows and buffaloes and all. And talking about the roads, when we started from Bangalore till Hassan, there were highways and they were too good to cruise. There was not even a single pothole I can see on those highways. But after reaching to Hassan, like from Hassan to Chikmagalur, it's like a proper two-lane, and all the potholes which were supposed to be there, all of the potholes are here in this route. So this route was too worst. When we came to this this area we found like a lot of hotels over here to stay. Then it turned out to be like we had to made a choice over here. So that's it for day 2. I will be ending the day 2 vlog over here. So tomorrow morning we will be going to Mullyanagiri Hills and बाबा बुडंगिरी हिल्स. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, కమెంట్ చేసిన తర్వాత కమెంట్ ಮಾಡಿ और फ्रेंड्स सबको ये वीडियो शेयर करो. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because there is a lot of interesting stuff going to come up soon related to bikes and motor vlogging. So until then, take care, bye bye, khuda hafiz.